The YouTube channel Healthy Junk Food loves to make giant junk food dishes. Check out this giant pizza cake. Or this giant sushi roll. This is what happens when you freeze antifreeze. Here are some cool shots of objects getting destroyed with a hydraulic press. Can you crush a diamond with a hydraulic press? This is what hot dogs are made of. Umbrella? More like dogbrella. Durian is a fruit from Asia with a very strong smell that tastes delicious. Their shells are very strong and filled with spikes. Here are some women in Thailand cutting it open. This is a house made entirely out of Legos. Thanks for watching The Hub. Subscribe and see you next time.